Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MEIZU M8 and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So first of all we will enter the eye comfort mode using the settings, because there we will customize it, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So as I said, let's enter the settings, let's tap on the display and brightness, and here we have to find the option which is called eye friendly mode. So this is simply the eye comfort or the night light, and after tapping on it we can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. Let's tap on it, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish, and it is in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at dim light. So we can change the intensity of that feature just by using the switcher. By going to the left we can make it much cooler. It is almost invisible, I would say, and by going to the right we can make it much warmer, almost orangish. What's more, we can schedule it. Just tap on it, and here we've got two different options. We've got we can set it from sunset to sunrise, so it means that your device will automatically turn it on and off, and it will decide on itself when the sunset and sunrise are, and we can custom the time. So after tapping on it we will be able to pick the start time and end time. So let me pick the start time, for example, like 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see the screen immediately turns yellowish. Of course it is because we are between the start time and end time, but let me actually disable it. Let me keep it turned on. And this is the whole customization of the eye-friendly mode. Of course, as I said at the very beginning, I told you that we can have much faster access to this feature. So all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar. And as you can see here, we've got the icon eye-friendly, which is right now turned on. If you want to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen turns back to its normal state. Of course, you can turn it on the same way, so simply unroll the top bar. So actually, this is it. This is how to manage, how to customize, how to enable the eye comfort mode in your MEIZU M8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.